Okay, now we'll study one by one deductions. The first one is already I have told you that the sections ATC, ATCC, ATCCD, ATCCD, and such things. And first we'll go to the ATC. What is ATC? Is that I I think you are very much clear about the concept. What is the concept? There will be the total income, that is called as the gross income. After concluding the income from some five heads, we'll get the gross income. On that gross income we are going to deduct some amount. We are going to deduct some amount under section ATC to ATU to get the total income, net total income, that is the live, okay, income, where the we are going to impose the tax on that income. Okay, then what type of a deduction we are having here? The deduction on expenditure, deduction on income, and deduction and donations and such things. These are the sections of the deduction. First we are going to explain, I am going to explain you about the deductions. ATC. What is ATC? Says that ATC says that any amount invested in qualifying schemes for the deductions. That what are the qualifying schemes? Yes, I have given you the notes regarding that. What are the qualifying schemes we have? Then if you are investing, if the assessee is investing any amount in those qualifying schemes for deductions, okay, then he is eligible to take the deductions for that investments. But the eligibilities are there, who can take the deductions, whether the company can take the deduction, whether any other associations can, no. The eligibility they have given here, the individual person can take the deductions, and the HUF, Hindu undivided family, can also take the deductions under section ATC. No company can take the deductions, okay, no other association of persons, BOP, and no such bodies cannot take the deductions. Okay, then what will be the amount of deductions? Then the actual, then whatever you have made the investment, whatever you have contributed for that fund, then the actual, or 1,50,000, whichever is least. What here said telling that, of course, the under section ATC, amount invested in qualifying schemes for the deduction. And what is the eligibility? Individual, he should be the individual, and the or the HUF. Okay, then what is the amount of deduction available here? The actual or 1,50,000. Actual or ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, actual ಎಷ್ಟು deductions ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು, or 1,50,000, whichever is least. Yes, we can go for the examples here. Amount invested in mutual fund. Amount invested in mutual fund is 1 lakh rupees. Yes. LIC premium, you are investing in a LIC premium, that is 50,000. Contribution to recognized provident fund 50,000. Total investment is 2 lakh. See here, total investment is 2 lakh. Okay, then the actual is 2 lakh. We can call this as the actual investment. Okay, then the rule says that actual or 1,50,000, actual is 2 lakh, then the deduction available under section ATC is 1,50,000. Then which one is deductible here? 1,50,000 is deductible. Why? The 2 lakh is more than 1,50,000. This is going to be the deduction under section ATC. You can see the so many deductions notified schemes under this. Okay, I have already given you the sent the photos of that. The amount invested in notified pension fund, set up mutual fund or unit trust of India, amount deposited with the authority engaged in housing development and town rural development of India, amount deposited or invested in equity linked saving schemes, repayment of housing loan, and tuition fees paid, amount paid as a subscription to the equity shares or debenture, any eligible issues, amount paid as a subscription to any amount of mutual fund, investment in new notified bonds issued by the NABARD, and contribution to SPF, recognized provident fund, public provident fund, approved subscriptions, LIC premium paid on life, SSC, and such things. These are the etc. etc. There are so many things I have given you. I already have sent the pick of that answer. Okay.